Installing and maintaining your floor grabber high traffic mat is simple. Here's how it works. Step 1. Start with a clean, dry floor. This ensures the best grip and long-lasting performance. Step 2. Roll out to desired length.
Step 3. Use the safety knife and optional utility board to cut the mat to your desired length.
Step 4. Position the mat, press it down firmly, and smooth out any wrinkles. Step 5. In high traffic areas, trim the corners at a 45-degree angle to reduce lifting. Floor grabber mats stay in place during daily cleaning. Brooms, vacuums, scrubbers, and mops glide right over without damage. For best results, keep water and pressure settings low and pre-treat stubborn stains if needed. The mat is highly absorbent and dries quickly. Moisture will naturally evaporate, but fans, blowers, or wet vacs can help in very wet conditions. Your mat is built to last up to 12 weeks. Replace it sooner if you notice wear or a weakened bond.
Remember, you only need to pick the mat up for a complete changeout.
During heavy rain or winter weather, extend coverage with longer runs of matting. Use extractors for excess water and air blowers to speed up drying. The mat stays put and keeps working hard. Quick to install, easy to maintain, and built to last. Whatever the season, whatever the mess. Trust SpillTech for smart spill solutions.